Good morning, kids. Esto es la Space de Speaking English número 2, semana 2, día 8. Páginas de la 22 a la 25. Color 16 orange. Colorea el 16 naranja. Color 17 green. Colorea el 17 verde. Color 18 yellow. Colorea el 18 amarillo. Color 19 blue. Colorea el 19 azul. Color 20 red. Colorea el 20 rojo. Now, point to the shoe. Señala el zapato. Point to the shoes. Señala los zapatos. Point to the socks. Señala los calcetines. Point to the sock. Señala el calcetín. Match and color. Colorea el dibujo y une. Ahora, point to the sister. Point to the mother. Point to the brother. Point to the father. Count to 20. Cuenta and color. Colorea. Point to the shoes. Señala los zapatos. Point to the shoe. Señala el zapato. Check up. Autoexamen. Circle the picture that does not belong in orange. Now, point to the grandmother. Point to the dog. Point to a sister. Point to 20. Point to the family. Point to the socks. Point to the brother. Point to the sock. Point to the grandfather. Point to the shoe. Point to the shoes. Point to number 19.